Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Today in this video I will show you step by step how to find your BMO bank Swift code. So guys, go to this website wise.com/gb/Swift code, and after that scroll down. You find two options guys: find a Swift code or check a Swift code. In this case I will find a Swift code guys, and select country. As you can, this case is United States, and click this United States and select the bank, BMO bank, as you can see here. Of course, BMO bank, as you can see here guys, BMO bank, this one guys, and click on just find Swift code, as you can see here guys, and this is BMO bank Swift code in United States, and you can copy this code easily. Click just copy code, as you can see here. I hope guys this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Subscribe to my channel for more content.